3 DIY remedies that can relieve symptoms for nasal polyps. Hey friends, I'm Dr. Neha from Bibo and this is your own series #MedTalk. What does it feel like when you are suffocating underwater or when you are stuck in a lift? Yes, nasal polyps can also give you a similar experience. When nasal polyps are large enough, they can block the nose and make you feel suffocated. This is when surgery comes into action, but our nails regrow after we cut them, our hair grows after we trim them. Similarly, nasal polyps can also regrow after surgery. These DIY home remedies are as simple as scrolling on your phone, but you need to do it right. Home remedies are safe and effective for everyone. Number 1. A humidifier can help moisten the nose and sinuses because when our skin gets dry, it becomes prone to infections. The same is with our nose. Number 2. Saline nasal spray is a focused approach of delivering the medicine directly to the nose for faster relief. Number 3. Cayenne pepper can be taken as a tea, gargle, nasal sprays, solutions, inhalation, or a food spice. Cayenne pepper tea is beneficial in treating cold and flu. Thank you. To know more about this unwanted guest and how to tackle nasal polyps, click here. And to watch more content like this, subscribe here. See you in the next video.